This is a brand new 2013 BMW X5. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, comfort access, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, a performance package, xDrive, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: a sport suspension, steering wheel memory settings, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a service level indicator, 4-zone climate control, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.